Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your recorder type and picking a matching rod so you reach the bore without forcing. Once ready, wrap a lint-free cloth around the rod securely. This protects the wood or plastic and picks up moisture. Use a tiny amount of 70% isopropyl on the cloth only if the instrument needs disinfecting, otherwise dry is safer. Work gently, pushing too hard risks chipping the windway or tone holes. You insert the rod slowly while keeping the recorder level so the cloth glides, not scrapes, against the bore. Once inserted, rotate the rod a quarter turn and withdraw it steadily. That twisting motion helps lift residue. Repeat with fresh cloth sections until the cloth comes out clean. Make sure to address the jointed areas and the delicate windway edges with a separate, narrower swab or soft brush, because those spots trap saliva and affect tone. You finish by leaving the instrument open to air dry completely before reassembly. Moisture traps cause warping or mold. For wooden recorders, apply a light, approved bore oil once or twice a year to maintain stability. Plastic needs no oil. If the rod or joint becomes stuck, stop and don't force it. Instead, rock gently and apply a tiny bit of lubricant to free the part. If resistance continues, consult a repair technician to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.